Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome back to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to see that how we can restrict URLs. Okay, so in last video we have seen that even after user is not authenticated, they can still access the profile page and login page, etc. Right? So we will see this. So first I will activate my environment. So I will just delete this terminal and create new one. So my environment will be activated automatically and I will run server. Okay, let me zoom a little bit so my screen will be visible more. Now I will open this server. Okay, now you can see that no one has logged in, so I will just log in. I have logged in successfully. I will go to profile page. Now here I will show you one thing, that even I am logged in, I can still access the login page. How? So I will just copy this login and I will paste that. You can see I am authenticated and still I can access this page. So we are going to restrict all those pages. So to do that, we will go to views.py. Remember, we are in authors and we are going to do here first. Okay, so I will first import the mixin. So from Django.contrib contrib.auth.mixin import login required mixin. Okay, now this mixin will be used to restrict the URLs. So how we can use this? Just we will copy this mixin, then we will paste this mixin to the functions which we want to restrict from the user to access. Okay, if the user is not authenticated, then he should not access the profile page, right? So it is used to restrict those type of pages. So first I will go to logout and I will paste it at very first position in these parameters like this, because it will not work if you will paste it last. So we need to restrict this logout, then this profile, then we need to restrict this password change also, then we need to restrict this update user view. Okay, then we need to restrict this delete user also. Now I don't know, like this success mixin also takes first position and this login also takes first positions. Okay, so let me first find out that which we should keep first. So we will go to user and I will say edit user and I will give username as 100 and update user. Okay, now I think it should give a success message. Yes, it is giving. So yeah, we are fine. Success mixing can be at second position, no issues. So here it is on second position. This login require mixing should be on first position. Now we have restricted the URLs which we want. Now which we want to restrict in authors. Now let's move to main views and see if any page to restrict. I don't think so. Home, which can be seen by everyone. Detail, detail, this also can be seen by everyone. And contact us, this also can be accessed by anyone. Okay, I will just save this also. Now come over here, refresh. Now I will log out. Now I will try to access the uh, authors, the user admin. Okay, this is showing us some error. Okay, we need to add one more thing, which is login_URL. So where we have kept this mixin, we need to add variables. So here I will say login underscore URL equals to the actual login URL, which will be the name of this. So here I will go, I'll copy this name, I'll paste it over here. I'll just copy this, then I'll go to profiles, I'll paste it over here. I'll go back, I will try to access the user profile page again, and I have redirected it to the login page instead of the error. Okay, so just copy this, paste this where we have put this mixin. So here, then here, then in delete also. Okay, great. Yeah, okay, yeah, I think so this is fine. We have restricted all the users. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And in next video, we will see that how we can restrict the user in function based view. Actually, we will like enable this function, and I will show you only for one function, and all that method will be same for other every functions, right? So I will show you that how we can restrict users in function based view. This was for class based view. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and if you have any suggestions for improving this content, then let me know in comments below. Thank you.